How to turn off text SMS notifications in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's video I will guide you how you can turn off text SMS notifications in Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. Again, you will land on your menu page. Head over to the settings icon at the top right and then tap on it. Once you're under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit. And under audience and visibility, you have to head towards the profile details. Scroll down to contact info. And under contact info, if you have added your phone number in your Facebook account, then you will receive the text SMS notifications from Facebook in your device. So to turn it off, you have to delete the phone number. So next to your phone number, tap on the pencil icon, then tap on manage contact info. After that, you will have an option to delete your phone number. Tap on delete phone number. If prompted, you will be asked to enter your Facebook account password. If prompted, type in your password, and once you are verified, your phone number will be deleted from your Facebook account and you will no longer receive text SMS notifications in Facebook. That's it. That's how you turn off text SMS notifications on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.